Tutorials on mathematics continue, and now we talk about the variables. First of all, we need to introduce, conceptualize and define the nature of variable. Next, we describe the relation of the variable to any. Then we talk about formal and restricted variables. Next, we talk about the duality of any and some. We keep on talking and reach cross concept proposition function, which is definable. We met and reach to the other class can be defined by means of such that. This is where we'll start analyzing variables. And next we reach to the topic of relations. We'll discuss the characteristic of relations. We'll discuss the relations of terms themselves. We shall explain the domain and the converse domain of a relation. Next, we'll talk about the logical sum, logical product, and a relative product of relations. Next, we'll talk about a relation is not a class of couples. And we'll sum it up by relations of a relation to its terms. Then we get to the next topic, which is contradictions. We'll discuss the consequences of contradiction. Next, various statements of the contradictions. Next, an analogous generalized argument. And then we discuss the variable propositional functions, which are in general inadmissible. Then we discuss the contradiction that arises from treating as one a class which is only many. And then we discuss other prima facie possible solutions which appear inadequate. After summarizing the initial part of our tutorials, we move on to the next one, which is called definition of cardinal numbers. In fact, this part of our tutorials will cover numbers. And as we talk about numbers, we talk about the definition of cardinal numbers. First of all, I'll provide you my plan of study. Then the mathematical meaning of definition. I'll provide you the definition of numbers by abstraction. And then I'll share with you to such a definition. We'll talk about the nominal definition of number and we'll continue.